Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter. Excuse me, I'm just here for a quick little flip through of the finished clutch journal. And it's kind of a little bit retro, a little bit artsy-fartsy, and I thought I would show it to you. You are seeing this, I'm planning on doing this as a giveaway. So by the time that you see this, it has already been given away. So I wanted to make sure that I did a quick flip through for prosperity's sake so I could remember it. But as you may recall, if you watched the video before, I just had a regular little, kind of clutch wallet purse type of thing. And I just added some things to it to make it a little more fun and into a journal. Now, I did sew this under here and I did not like it. So I added the rickrack and then I added some bias tape, some more rickrack on both sides. This is one of my digitals that just says color outside the lines. And then I added some rickrack here, added a little charm, or no, I just added some bling to that. That was already there. And inside of here are just a few little things. There's a vintage subscription order, and I think this might be Tim Holtz or something. Time, return, and delay report. And then I stuck one of my Just Be little circle tags in there. And in the back, did I put anything in here? Oh, I have a little art palette charm on there. I think I put Project Life cards in here. I filled it with just a few things. Oh yeah, and just some miscellaneous kind of fun things. Some playing cards, some chemistry, flashcards, all kinds of goodness. But they're almost, they have to be tucked in there. So, inside, let's see. Oh, I added a little piece of bling. This says Lily Bloom, so I just added that on there too. Inside, wait, what's in here? I forgot. Oh yeah, more goodies. I just tucked a bunch of little things, so if they wanted. This is intended to be like a idea journal or truly a travel journal where it's all very condensed and tiny, with an art flair. In here, I just put a activity on pillowcase pajama bags on one side, and then on this side it's just got kind of art related things from one of the kids books that I had. I didn't do a ton of decor on the inside because I wanted to make sure that this could expand a great deal. It is Midori style, so that means that you can take all these papers out and put new papers in. But there's one of my stickers, there's a paint chip, another little, this looks like it was a reproduction probably from something I got, a little just blank Rolodex, peace, love, and patterns. I just stuck little bits and pieces and bits and bobs in here. Same here. These were from a catalog that I put together. What's in here? Oh, this is from a book. Another little, I think this was oh no, this was one that I backed, so this must have been an old one. There's a piece of Sandy's little sample paper that she sent me. Another from an old magazine. So there's lots of just little tiny things. I did that just to fill this up, and then somebody can use it however they wish. This is my art digital that is on Ko-fi. So I just filled it with fun, artsy, inspired. This is napkin paper. Some of mine. This is some that I did with acrylics. All of my digitals in there. This is from a magazine. Paint swatches. This is from an old vintage book. That is, I believe it is freezer paper. Digital, Kool-Aid dyed paper, more digitals, and so on and so forth. And then in the back, I just tucked a couple of things. This is a side tuck. So this is a big tag from wallpaper. And this is just one of my samples that I just turned into a tag, a journal card, whatever you want it to be. In here, there's just a couple little tags. Things that can be finished if they choose, but kind of art inspired. Another paint chip. And then this I added, it was kind of, I don't know if it was dirty or if it was just like where maybe the glue came through, but it was all the way around on this and on this little pocket. So I did trim it with some rickrack. There's a couple little things in there. I don't know if I did I put something in here? I'm sure I probably did. Yep, there's little goodies in there. I won't pull all those out. And then there's a little tag in here as well. And that just tucks right in behind here. Added a little bit of bling and one of my dangles to open that up. And that's all there is to it, friends. Very simple, very easy. So what I would tell you, if you are someone who enjoys thrifting or you're just searching in your own closet and you have something like this, grab it out. And if you're not using it, put it to a good use. But I hope you enjoyed that. Just a quick little flip through of the clutch journal. So until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be. If you haven't yet, I invite you to subscribe and join the fun. And we will see you soon. Cheers.